Hello everybody, it's Christina at Scrapcraft and Stitchery. I am doing the hashtag Tony's October ATC challenge. It's a little bit of Halloween, October, fall fun. A very little bit. These are ATC cards or tags or index cards that people are making in response to a daily prompt every day in October. And I'm trying to keep these fairly simple, but I have decided to draw mine. So the prompt for today is wind. So I took this, I guess, as literally as I could, and I am drawing the wind. Although I realize too that the wind is no fun if you don't have something to play with, so I'll add something to this here in a minute. Again, I'm just drawing onto book page, and I just used a micron marker to really draw a cloud that has a face that's blowing the wind. And I just grabbed my marker and drew this because who's to say what exactly this is supposed to look like. I just wanted it to basically look like a face. And I also drew some actual wind currents out, and I'm fussy cutting those out because, you know. So I get this cut out, and I have these very dark cards that I've cut out as index cards for backgrounds for all of my art pieces, just to kind of keep things a little bit in line. And I decided that we needed to put this on something. The wind needs to have something to play with, something to blow around, or it's just not gonna work. So I have this origami paper that's got these beautiful maple leaves in orange. It's just lovely fall themed. So I just tear that out with my decal ruler and put this down. Could have had a lot of fun different ways to draw wind. Could have drawn trees kind of blowing, or an umbrella blowing along, things we lose control of in the wind. I could have drawn a little scarecrow trying to walk into the wind. That could be kind of fun. And then I have this punch that is a maple leaf, and I'm just punching out some extra maple leaves to kind of give this a little bit more dimension. This card was a quick and easy one. This was really easy, and these leaves look really, really good. I have a crackling campfire distress ink, and I just punched them out of this really pretty cardstock and gave them a little bit of dimension by just really using my dauber to kind of partially cover them with the crackling campfire. They look so good, just gorgeous. And it gives the wind something to play with. I really liked this idea of the wind kind of being a character that could come to life. I think that's one of the fun things to play with, is animating things like objects at Halloween time, so that's just kind of one of the fun things to play with, was animating the wind and giving it a kind of a bit of a character. and a little bit of stickles for a little bit of glittery fun. Partially just because I don't very often use stickles and add glitter to my cards or anything. So it was fun for me. I felt a little timid doing so, maybe. There is that, and I decided that he needs to have some rosy pink cheeks because, you know, the wind should have some rosy pink cheeks. I used the Neocolor crayon to add that little bit of pink on his cheek and just around a little bit. And that's my card for wind. And it's got the origami background and a little bit of glitter. I want to say thank you, a great big thank you again to everybody who has subbed to my channel. If you're seeing this, I would invite you to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button to see what I'm doing. I will be posting at least once a day in October, and I have some other challenges I'm trying to keep up with at the same time. So do that. Do check out Tony's channel. I will have a link in the subscription box for you to follow to get to her channel. She is giving out a prize if you want to jump in and check that out for the rules to be included. It's just a lot of fun too, so even if you don't win anything, I'm having a great time making these cards. I'm going to turn these into a little tiny book, I think, and each one will be like a page. So that'll be really cool and really fun. What else? Like the video, follow the challenge, and I am going to say, I guess, goodbye and good night, and I will see you tomorrow for the next day in Tony's challenge. So check that out, and I'll see you then. Thanks for coming by. Bye-bye.